Lesson 2. Large Roman numerals. In the previous class, we have learnt how to read and write Roman numerals up to 39. In this chapter, we shall extend our learning of reading and writing of larger Roman numerals. We know that there are 7 basic symbols to write any Roman numeral. These symbols with their corresponding Hindu-Arabic numerals are given in the table. Roman symbol I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Hindu-Arabic numeral 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000. Note: there is no symbol for 0 in the Roman system. This system is also not a place value system. Using the above 7 symbols, we may form Roman numerals for all numbers by adopting certain rules. Rule 1. Repetition of a Roman numeral means addition. Examples: Roman symbol 3 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. Roman symbol 30 is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. Roman symbol 200 is equal to 100 plus 100 equals 200. Roman symbol 3000 is equal to 1000 plus 1000 equals 3000. Notes: 1. We can repeat I, X, C, M, but we cannot repeat V, L and D. 2. We cannot repeat any numeral more than 3 times. Rule 2. When a symbol representing a smaller or the same number is placed on the right of another symbol, its value is added to the value of that symbol. Examples: Roman symbol 5 is equal to 5 plus 1 equals 6. Roman symbol 7 is equal to 5 plus 1 equals 7. Roman symbol 13 is equal to 10 plus 1 equals 13. Roman symbol 52 is equal to 50 plus 1 equals 52. Roman symbol 70 is equal to 50 plus 10 equals 70. Roman symbol 1200 is equal to 1000 plus 100 equals 1200. Rule 3. When a symbol representing a smaller number is placed to the left of another symbol, its value is subtracted from the value of that symbol. Examples: Roman symbol 9 is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Roman symbol 40 is equal to 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Roman symbol 900 is equal to 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900. Roman symbol 4 is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Notes: 1. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. 2. The symbols V, L and D are never subtracted. E.g. Vxx is meaningless because V is not written on the left side of X. 3. X can be subtracted from L and C. Rule 4. For a single smaller number lying between 2 larger numbers, the number is subtracted from the larger value on the right and added to that on the left. Cix equal to 100 plus 10 minus 1 equal to 109 dxc equal to 500 plus 100 minus 10 equal to 590. Rules for converting numbers in ones, 10s, 100s and 1000s form. Observe the following. 1000s. 1000 is equal to M. 2000 is equal to MM. 3000 is equal to M. 100s. 100 is equal to C. 200 is equal to CC. 300 is equal to CCC. 400 is equal to CD. 500 is equal to D. 600 is equal to DC. 700 is equal to DCC. 800 is equal to DCCC. 900 is equal to CM. 10 is equal to X. 20 is equal to XX. 30 is equal to XXX. 40 is equal to XL. 50 is equal to L. 60 is equal to LX. 70 is equal to LXX. 80 is equal to LXXX. 90 is equal to XC. Once 1 is equal to I. 2 is equal to II. 3 is equal to III. 4 is equal to IV. 5 is equal to V. 6 is equal to VI. 7 is equal to VII. 8 is equal to VIII. 9 is equal to IX. To convert a large Hindu-Arabic number into Roman numeral, simply group the numbers into 1000s. 100s, 10s, and 1s and then form the Roman numerals by writing from left to right. Example, convert 3894 into Roman numerals. Solution, on grouping the numerals into thousands, hundreds, tens and ones form, we get 3894 is equal to 3000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 4. Converting into Roman numerals, we get 3000 is equal to MMM, 800 is equal to DCCC, 90 is equal to XC4 is equal to IV. Therefore 3894 is equal to MMM plus DCCC plus XC plus IV is equal to MMM DCCC XCIV. Thus, the Roman numerals form is MMM DCCC XCIV. To convert a larger Roman numeral into Hindu-Arabic number, we write the numeral values of each letter and add them.